Ketek does a lot of different things, I can tell. When someone asks you, though, a simple question like, what does Ketek do? How do you answer that?
Ketek is a support-based company. We have equipment and manpower and systems and procedures in place in order to service clients for whatever scope that they are trying to accomplish. Specifically, we look at industrial clients, municipal clients, construction clients alike, and with the myriad of things that they are trying to get done, typically they don't know the details of how to get it done. We find a way to close that gap for them with the muscle that we have behind our company.
Tell me a little bit about your history. I saw you were founded in 1979. A little bit about the development of your company.
Yeah, that's right. My father started the business along with his brother back when, but they were able to grow the business throughout ups and downs with the oil patch in Alberta. And I was born into the business, so to speak, grew up with it, and eventually was able to take a position in a leadership role. And and create what we have here today, which is a real family-cultured business in Western Canada.
That leads me into my next question. What kind of geographical scope do you cover? What range?
Most of the Western Canadian Sedimentary Basin, we service that area quite well. We do get up into the north because we deal with some mining clients, and we do have some products actually that we sell internationally.
What kind of products are those?
We have thermal oxidizers, so basically a waste destruction piece of equipment. It allows for an efficient, environmentally effective destruction of waste in areas where there's high density or a lack of location to deal with waste in another way.
What would you say sets you apart from your competition?
Service. Customer service has always been a focus of ours. That's a cliche answer, I suppose, by businesses, but it is built within our mission and vision. It is something ingrained in every individual that works here at Ketek. Our top guy being our leadership team, including myself, very willing to go out in the field and do whatever it takes to get something done for a client. There's a lot of things we don't do that our clients ask us for, and we make it a point to help them find the right connection, even if it's not us doing the work.
And what kind of problems do you solve then for clients? What are some of the examples?
Yeah, so specifically, we do a lot of water pumping. We have some lighting solutions, tank power, temporary power setup. A lot of that the grout in between the tiles, so to speak, where there's core services operating in a region, and we supply the support equipment to make that all stick together. And that allows the companies that are doing the very niche, specifically technical or high profile activities to do their work seamlessly, and that's where Ketek fits.
Are you bringing any new tech or innovations to the market?
We're constantly doing R&D. Certainly the clients that we work with are always demanding bigger, badder, better, certainly more environmentally efficient, certainly equipment that is less fossil fuel intensive with its operations. And so in consideration of that, we are innovating constantly to try and make sure our equipment fleet and the process at which we do things are as efficient and effective as possible. Specifically, we have equipment like OzTech, which deals with contaminated fluid. We have equipment like the thermal oxidizers that deal with all different sorts of waste, whether it's waste energy technical concept or just simply the volume minimizing of that waste. Those technologies will be the future, and we will continue to develop those so that we can keep a hold of what our clients are in need of.
And what about distributorships? I noticed on your website, again, there's a number of distributorships, a real variety. What are you doing there?
So that's part of our general concept, our extension of our service offering, to say that, listen, we will associate ourselves with pieces of equipment that are going to be successful for you overall. Every one of our distributors, we use that equipment ourselves in our own fleet. We endorse it by our use and therefore are very comfortable in selling it to our clients. It just adds to the spectrum of service that we're able to provide and goes back to that customer service foundation where if you want to rent a product, we got that for you. If you want a sale product, we got that for you as well. And be comfortable with the partners we associate with, because certainly we are.